Another really important feature is our BakePro feature. Besides perfect cooking results for roasting, grilling and frying, we also achieve with our Convotherm Max Pro fantastic baking results. And for this, we go to the manually cooking into convection air. And like I said before, convection air is normally for roasting, grilling, frying, but it's also the best cooking method for baking. And important here to mention is, if you want to have the best croissants, for example, you need to work with BakePro. So what you do is actually, you're doing your setting, the temperature where you want to do the baking of your product. You're choosing your time, in this case 15 minutes. You're adjusting the fan speed, small delicate baking items, reduce the fan speed, otherwise go on level 5. And now you press this little plus where you can activate BakePro in 5 different levels. Level 5, longest, level 1, lowest. When you confirm this, you can see now this one-step profile, what I just added, changed now to a 2-stage profile. And when we have a look inside, then we see now BakePro moved in front of the profile I just set it up. And the BakePro will take additional 3.5 minutes. So in total, we have now 18.5 minutes bake time. The beauty with BakePro is that after the preheating is done, the unit will inject steam to the cavity, depending on your BakePro level, for a period of time. After that, the fan inside will stop completely. So there is no air movement. That means that the steam, actually hot steam, can sit on the product and thaw the product. What you would do normally outside for roughly 30 minutes, you can do inside the Convotherm from fully frozen, pre-proofed items in maximum 3.5 minutes. So when the first step, what is actually the BakePro step, is done, then the second step, we just set it up, is starting. So BakePro is the best way to do any type of bake-off items like pre-proofed croissants, baguettes, bread rolls and so on. And you find it in convection air under the plus, and you will see the volume, the shelf life is perfect.